Ciao, I'm Chiara from filo e segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these beautiful 3D flowers. You can use this flower as a decoration on a headband, for example, or as a brooch, or use it to complete every project you want. For this project I use acrylic from Mondial and a 4.5mm hook, and you will need a wooden button too. Okay, first chain 6 and close it in round with a slip stitch into the first chain. Now chain 5, the first 3 chains count as your double crochet, then we do 1 double crochet into the ring. So now we have 1 double crochet, chain 2, then 1 double crochet, chain 2, then we do 1 double crochet into the ring, chain 2 once again, and 1 double crochet, and continuing to do this until we will have a total of 8 double crochets into the ring. Join with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And now we are going to create the first petal. So first chain 3, then we do a slip stitch into the next double crochet. So now we have this little arch. Now chain 2, then turn the work. And now we do 6 double crochets into this little arch. Okay, now pay attention. We turn the work and now we're going to work around this double crochet. And we work 5 front post double crochet. To make a front post stitch, you will insert your hook from the front to back and work around the post of the stitch. Then complete the stitch as normal, so we do a double crochet. And now we do another 1 front post double crochet, and continue to do this until we have a total of 5 front post double crochets. Okay, now fold in this way and join with a slip stitch in the double crochet here. And now we have the first petal. So now let's make the second petal together one more time. So remember, first chain 3, then we do a slip stitch into the next double crochet to create the little arch. Now chain 2, then turn the work. And now we do 6 double crochets into this little space, in this little arch. So now we turn the work, and now we're going to work around the double crochet, this double crochet, and we work 5 front post double crochets. So insert your hook from the front to back and work around the post here. Remember, we do 5 front post double crochets. So now fold and join with a slip stitch into this double crochet. And now we have the second petal. So all we have to do now is to repeat this for each petals until we will have a total of 8 petals. Okay, now we have 8 petals, so we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails using a tapestry needle. So now grab the wooden button and use the hot glue to attach it in the center of the flower, or you can sew it with the needle if you prefer. Now let me show you the finished 3D flowers. I want to show you some other ideas with acrylic yarn like this. And here I've made this with a cotton yarn and a smaller hook. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your 3D flowers. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!